Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are doing a fridge clean out organization and an under the sink organization. I let my fridge go way too long and it really needed to be cleaned out and organized. I also got some new organization bins from Costco that I'll link below. Remember to like and subscribe, and hopefully this gives you some organization motivation. So if you're new here, my name is Angie and I'm going to be a first-time mom. So I'm currently 35 weeks pregnant with my daughter Peyton. I'm married to my husband Ryan, and we currently have two wonderful dogs who you will always see in the backgrounds of my videos. I try to post videos twice a week. Currently they've been going up on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but sometimes it changes. Got a love for another. I'm using a British product called Zoflora here to wipe down my refrigerator. It's a concentrated disinfectant that you just dilute with water. Now, I was able to find this here in the United States, but it is available online. It's just a little bit more pricey than what you would normally pay if you actually lived in the United Kingdom.
So weird, got no choice. Comes and breaks. It's so weird, I let go.
so far away, though you're close. Where's your mind at? I wanna know. A penny for your thoughts. I wanna know what's inside that heart of yours. Ooh, I feel paper thin. Ooh, when will you let me in? Do you let anyone get under your skin? You play it cool, but underneath I know you're hiding something. Do you let anyone get under your skin? I just wanna get to know you, so would you let me get to know you, boy? You feel so far away, though you're close. Where's your heart at? I wanna know. A penny for your thoughts. I wanna know what's inside the heart of yours. Ooh, I feel paper thin. Ooh, when will you let me in? Do you let anyone get under your skin? You play it cool, but underneath I know you're hiding something. Do you let anyone get under your skin? I just wanna get to know you, so would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy?
And that's it for today's video. Hopefully this gave you some organization motivation. Check out some of my other videos and remember to like and subscribe. See you next time.